This is an Asian water monitor, all right? This is, you know the Komodo dragon, right? This is one of the second or third largest lizards in the world. You see what's happening there? Why is that? This animal feels the heat from my skin, the molecules from what I'm giving off here. That's how he hunts. That tail also has little things like a razor blade on the end of it. So if somebody tries to come over, they can swat that tail. This, though, is an Asian water monitor. Thank you so much for Grant and his beautiful
And
life.
last but not least, everyone, one of my favorite creatures. I only wish I could do what this creature does.
Now, everyone, this is a barred owl. Listen very closely. There's only one animal found on every continent of the world except Antarctica. If you get on a game show, you should know this. Only one animal in the world found on every continent except Antarctica. It's a species of owl. David Hitzik from the Bush Wildlife Sanctuary rescues hundreds every year because owls come down at nighttime and get hit by cars. It's called the bird of silent flight. If I were to fly him over your head at 1 inch, you would never hear this bird. It's a protected species in our country, everyone, and I love owls, as Maury said. They're a neat creature.
Thanks so much.
Bush Sanctuary, he rescued that owl. Thank you, David.
Okay, now, stick around, everybody, because when we come back, we've got some special surprises for our studio audience when we come back. Next, Jack Hanna has a special surprise for all of the children in our audience. The most exotic animals in the world are here for a spring safari with Jungle Jack Hanna. All of the children in our audience today were asked one question. What was your favorite animal Jack Hanna brought to the show today?
A vulture and a dingo. Kangaroo and a penguin. Alligator. Snake. A lion. Tigers. Oh, that anteater. Zebra. The snakes. A bird. Crocodile. Tiger. Lion. The cheetah. The monkey. The bobcat. Rabbit. A monkey. The flamingos. Dogs. The baby kangaroo. Jaguar. And gorilla.
Okay, so we've had a blast today with Jack Hanna and all of his special wild animals, and now we have some special surprises for our audience. So everybody in the audience is going to receive their very own Maury gift bags filled with incredible goodies, thanks to Jack. Okay, everybody, bring out the gift bag. Thank you all so much. I want to thank Jack Hanna, everybody. Jack has been great. This may be the best show we've ever done in 20 years.
You're right.
Thank you very much. Thanks to Columbus Zoo. All of you enjoy the beautiful spring weather around the country. Until next time, America. Thank you.